Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how you could take these two set of items that I got from the dollar store and turn them into these glam fall decors. Okay, we're going to start with DIY number 1 using these items. Okay, so I have this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use some of this black spray paint that I got from Walmart. And we're just going to spray paint our candle holder black. Okay, it's a few hours later and our candle holder is all spray painted and dried. And now I'll be using some of this glam bling here that I have from Totally Dazzled. It's a bow. I love it. It looks so super cute. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it onto our candle holder. So now that that's all done, I'll be using some of this, I call it a flower mesh wrap. We'll be using some hot glue and glue it onto our candle holder. Now you can use any adhesive you'd like to glue down your project when you're doing your DIYs. Okay, now that that's all done, I have this vase here that I got from IKEA. Doesn't it look nice? All frosted and black. Oh, it looks so lovely. So we're just gonna take this vase and our candle holder and just use some E6000 and glue them together. And as easy as 1, 2, 3, here is how our first DIY turned out. It was so fast and easy. It takes 2 plain items, add some glam to them, and then you have a lovely piece of decor for your home, or like I always say, as a gift for a loved one. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 1. Now for our second DIY, I have this pumpkin here. Isn't it nice? A nice big pumpkin. I like how it's shaped and everything. So we're just gonna once again use some of our black spray paint and spray paint our pumpkin all black, and when it's dry I'll come back. Alright everyone, here is our pumpkin all painted and dry. Doesn't it look nice? I love how it looks. So now I painted the stem part of our pumpkin with some gold spray paint. So it's black and gold. We're just going to add back our stem into our pumpkin. Now that's all done. We are going to add some more of our bling gems from Totally Dazzled in the gold color. And I have another bow in gold. Okay, so we are just going to use some hot glue and glue our bow to the stem of our pumpkin. And now we're just going to add the rest of our gems going around our pumpkin. Now we have our candle holder once again, another one, and I'll be putting this gem again from Totally Dazzled, using some hot glue and just glue it to our candle holder. Doesn't that look so cute? So now that that's all done, we're going to take our two pieces, use some E6000, and glue them together. And here's the finished look of our pumpkin. I love how our Glam pumpkin turned out with the black and the silver, and it looks so nice on the candle holder. I love how it turned out. And I think it looks really nice with the gems from Totally Dazzled, especially the bow. I love it. And our little flower at the bottom. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope I have inspired you with some more fall decor for yourself, or like I always say, for your loved one. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing the DIYs I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.